Hi, this is Allison Rosso with the Minnesota Department of Agriculture. We're going to move into part 2 of Commercial Animal Waste Technician Applicator License Training. In the previous video, we briefly described the history of the CAWT license program and the current licensing structure. In this segment, we'll talk about site manager and applicator roles and licensing requirements. So as we see, the licensing structure today includes the 3 license types: the Commercial Animal Waste Technician Company, Site Manager, and Applicator. Each of the license types needs to be valid for them all to be valid. The applicator must work under a valid licensed site manager, and the site manager must work under a valid licensed company. So what does this mean to you? There are some important definitions to go over. First of all, if you are a site manager, you're in the wrong place. You need to look further. This video is for certifying you to become an applicator. A site manager's definitions and duties are to oversee all aspects of commercial manure application operations. This includes, but isn't limited to, implementing manure management programs, loading manure, manure applications, equipment calibration and maintenance, calculating application rates, employee training and safety, emergency preparation, environmental protection, and of course, applicator supervision. The definition and duties of an applicator is to be a licensed to commercially apply animal waste to the ground under the supervision of a site manager. In this case, supervision is a specific definition. The site manager must maintain voice or phone contact with all applicators at all times. They have to be on the site of application the majority of the time and within 45 minutes of the application site otherwise. The site is where the commercial manure application encompasses locations where loading, agitation, pumping, hauling, and field application occur. And the commercial aspect of your license means you're doing application for pay, for hire, for any type of compensation, credit, barter that is promised, paid, or given. These definitions help us understand where you fit in the licensing structure and help you understand the responsibilities that you have while you're working out in the field. An applicator needs a license to spread or apply manure to the ground, and an applicator must work under the supervision of a licensed site manager. This means as an applicator, you're responsible for understanding the environmental risks and the safety hazards and the legal requirements of manure handling, transport, application, and management. In summary, we just talked about the important definitions in the CAWT licensing program. If the definitions are not clear or you don't understand them, you can rewatch this segment, talk to your site manager, or call the Minnesota Department of Agriculture for clarification. Our next section will discuss steps to becoming licensed with the Department of Agriculture, applicator duties and responsibilities, and other considerations.